Morning, Dennis Smith talking this morning with the 2-minute drill, talking about the hog futures markets. There's a lot going on. If you look at the August hog futures chart, you see almost like a rocket ship type performance with hogs taking off and now plateauing, possibly consolidating. This is what I would describe as a bull flag formation. If we kind of hold support levels after a few more days of consolidation, this market could take off. A close up through the high would be confirmation of a bull flag and strongly indicate another leg upward. Fundamentally, there's a lot going on in the hog market right now. If you look at the bullets of ideas, that fundamental factors that we're focused on, a lot of them are in the China area. The Chinese have been the largest buyer of U.S. pork for 2 consecutive weeks. The Chinese government showing a concern about the ability to feed their population or to provide enough meat for their population in the future. This is something that's kind of new and developing and is quite bullish on the long term for U.S. hog prices. And strangely, the Chinese government is starting to promote reduced meat consumption, something you would not expect in a growing middle-class society. Brazil's facing record high corn prices. They are cutting back on their sows, reducing pork production. Brazil is the 4th largest pork exporter in the U.S. They're also cutting back on poultry production. They are the largest poultry exporter in the world. Various disease problems popping up. PED in Canada and African swine fever in the Ukraine. These need to be monitored for long-term bullish possibilities. And finally, U.S. numbers in the U.S. are dropping off on a seasonal basis. Pork is cheap from a historical standard, and feed prices are trending higher. These thoughts are mine and not those of ADM or of ADM Investor Services or of Archer Financial Services. Thank you.